Here we're demonstrating Intel's Physical AI Studio for the first time by using AAEON CEXD system. In this Physical AI Studio, we are providing an end-to-end robot learning platform, all the way from data collection to model fine-tuning, model optimization, and model inference. Traditionally, robots were hard-coded to carry out certain tasks. But with the current progress in physical AI domain, it's possible to add the learning capabilities to robots. There are great frameworks out there doing model training, but in this Physical AI Studio, we additionally provide data collection, model training, model optimization, and model deployment, all end-to-end life cycle. For example, we can see here how we can collect the data to carry out a pick and sort task on a factory floor. So we can choose what the task is, so put the resistors in green bin, and we can start the task. It'll take a while. And then we can see that we can control the robot. So this is the follower robot that we want to use on the factory floor, and this is the leader robot that I'm going to be showing and teaching the robot how to do the tasks. So utilizing this robot, I can show how to pick and sort an object like this. By collecting multiple episodes and training the data with this platform and optimizing it, we can deploy these models on AAEON CEXD system for a real-time deployment and inference. Let me show you. Active, so it's running on AAEON CEXD system, and then as you can see, after the train model on the inference, it picks up the object and puts into the right bin. And so overall, we provide a Physical AI Studio that can run end-to-end robot learning platform, everything on AAEON CEXD system, and run smoothly for inference deployment.